What's up, guys? I'm here with Aaron, and we're having a challenge. See who can do the longest one on Subway Surfers. No keys and no boards.
Yeah. And if you're on the board, you're not on the board, and
You'll be disqualified.
yeah, you disqualified straight away. And if you use if qualified has a controller or a controller, and I see him use the key, you guys tell me, and he'll be disqualified again.
Yeah. And if I need to go Thailand,
Yeah. So it takes you all the time. So what card are you gonna use? Like this piece.
one of you is this board.
Yeah. What are use boards?
Yeah. No, I'm just saying.
Oh.
Quick. Let me see. How much have I got? 15 coins.
Wow.
Missions. Only one daily challenge. Dodge 20 barriers and score 6,000 points. I'll be able to do that. My top is 1,000,000. That's it. It's more than 60,000. I'm gonna have to see. And the rank stopped. We're gonna do the Floors Lab challenge. We might.
Yep.
But I'm gonna have to bring money. I'm actually gonna buy something.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
And we'll show you how we earn money as well.
Yeah.
Over the.
We do trolleys.
No. We'll show them.
Yeah, we'll show you.
So you actually can see.
Yeah, and that'll be the next video.
And if you find a board in this game, you're not allowed to use it still.
Yes, true that.
$99 coins.
Are you allowed to use those with your pack things?
Yeah.
Oh. Doing good.
My top coin is 6,000. Nearly 7,000.
Yeah, mine as well, but only mine 5,000 or 6,000. It was between 6,000 and 7,000.
Same.
It was like 6,000
Mine-
or something.
Mine was about 6,900,
Yeah.
6,999 or something.
Yeah, probably mine as well.
Jetpack.
What? What? Really? Oh, they're the best. They're the best at getting coins.
Every single coin I got. What would you do?
Those are 300.
What would you do if I got a million? Why? I do buy everything. Nearly. Million. My father gave me a small My father gave me a small donation of $1 million. Now $1 million isn't a lot for me because I'm rich.
My mom gives me $1,000 if I keep my room clean.
Imagine that.
Yeah.
I'd love that.
If my mom would give me a fiver.
My mum would probably give me £2.
My mom would give me a fiver.
My mum would give you a fiver.
No, my mom.
Yeah, but what did you say? Your mum?
My mom.
No, I'm used to
My mom.
double tapping the screen.
Yeah, cause now I don't really do it that much, but I am really used to it. Well, I'll take this around up.
It is. How's that?
Yeah, but the drop is literally that.
I'm literally playing while I'm not looking. Look.
Oh yeah, no, that's simple to do. Actually, guys, what is your what is your favorite Subway Surfers board?
Mine's the Cobra.
So is mine. I have that board, so there's stuff on it.
As you could see.
Yeah.
Well, I showed them by double
Yeah,
tapping.
just showed him.
Does this count?
If you die, I get the thing, yeah.
No, like by double tapping, show them the board.
Yeah, you can show them, yeah.
In action.
Yeah, that's
After I get all this. Here it is.
There's the Cobra. Yeah, but up on if you die, then I get the board. So it'll be a very special thing.
No, remember, I'm just showing them.
It's not if you die. It's not good.
Look at this skill.
If you hit, let me see that.
With the board.
Yeah.
No, you don't die.
Yeah, I know. Oh, this thing.
Challenge.
Yeah. Don't hit. Against the waist.
I know.
And it is gone.
See how good I am.
Yeah. Oh, so we're almost at 1,000 rings. Oh, good. Oh, Actually, guys, what do you want Job Hall to upload next? Leave a comment down in the comment section.
Oh, I nearly died.
Leave a comment down in the comment section. And, well, we'll do it right now because we promised you the parkour video.
We didn't promise a parkour video.
No, we remember the parkour video.
Yeah, we didn't promise a parkour video now.
No, we promised in the parkour video we'll do
Oh,
it
yeah.
now, didn't
If we get,
we? Yeah.
why no, not if we get 30 likes. That's for more like you in it.
Yeah.
Evan, look at the time. I got that, no problem.
Yeah, so it was. The reason I got, because you played this for ages.
If I was able to use K's, I'd probably be able to get about 10,000.
Oh, it sounds amazing. I'll probably say about 20,000, 10,000. Seen that?
Look at these skills.
So I'll say 15,000 would be you.
Do 20 as well.
Yeah.
Can barely see it.
Yeah. Oh, you hit the board.
I didn't.
You did.
I didn't.
Did you not?
No, I nearly did. That was the screen. We still didn't die though.
Yeah. Oh, it's very unfair, isn't it?
1,200.
What's that 100? That's good, it's okay.
1,200. 1,400. Just under 1,400. 1,400.
And look, you might be able to beat your actual all record.
No, I won't. Because that was using K's
So imagine beating it.
and getting 1,000,000 points.
Yeah. Wait, no. He died. He died. Oh,
I
you
get to
got
open it.
Yeah, you did.
Let me see. What would I want? I'd want that.
Yeah.
Or that.
The jackpot.
Or that.
Go. Go. What's in the video? I don't even know why. This is a weird video. This had this ordered a dog. And the dog wants to.
And he's creepy.
Look at him. Look at that smile. Hey, kitties. Wanna come and play? Let's you want a ball with my dog. I'll throw the ball, you catch it, he throws the ball. It'll be great fun. It's like my granddad. Now, it's my turn.
Wait. I got 2 of them.
Oh, because you want some deal. Now give me my turn.
Wait.
Ah, come on.
I'm buying something.
We don't even have enough for anything.
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, you do, you're 14
I actually, you know what? No, because I can't. No.
That's my turn.
Wait. Getting one of these.
How much are they?
Free.
Free?
Yeah. Why? E. It. W.
Friends.
W. K. No.
Okay.
No, I won't install it. Prizes?
Where's them choices you get?
Dude, this is shit. That's what our mini mystery box is.
Okay, this is my turn now. This was a long time. It's your mama. I'm not gonna get close, jump on record. Yeah, I just got hit there. I used to have it, and my score was really good. I'm going real slow. Like, I like when you go fast. What is your favorite prize to get? Like these, like jetpacks, these.
Oh yeah, no
have.
getting jetpack.
Yeah?
No,
How?
because I upgraded it to its longer like.
You're not fair. No, I could use one.
No, because it's upgraded.
Oh, you're unfair.
Oh, delete the game.
You're unfair. You got to use them.
Yeah, one that's not upgraded.
Yeah, but why'd you upgrade it?
It's a better way of getting points.
Yeah, well then you should let Aaron can I upgrade it?
No,
So I should have said. Yeah, I was like, oh yeah, you can go upgrade it. Without me even getting shot. Prize box, time care for die. I got that box.
no way.
Oh,
That's only one. You're
what?
right.
Oh, sorry.
Two.
Forgot to do it.
I don't mind.
Ah, forget all the coins.
Nearly over. It's over.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna have a prize box.
Yeah.
Good board.
7 or 2 of them. I'm gonna upgrade it again.
Upgrade ball.
Pack. Oh my, it's 1,500. What's wrong?
Oh wait.
Do you not want to watch?
Yeah. I don't look at it.
Know what I nearly done?
What?
I nearly got a hoverboard out.
You would have been disqualified.
I may have got one out. Not. You can even ask me in the comments.
Tell me in the comments if you use a hoverboard.
Well, there's only one person that watches us.
Who?
That is Naam. He commented on once on one of my videos.
Well, thank you for commenting.
I told him thanks. And it's pinned by me. Like my comment.
Yeah.
Because it's off one of my videos. Thanks,
But-
mate.
Yeah.
If you're watching this,
Yeah. But you, please.
please subscribe. And he liked it. I got a like on it.
Hey. Which video was it?
It's not Roblox, episode 1.
Ah. I hope you like this one because I'm ashamed. I've only been in 2 vids. You use a jetpack. He's disqualified.
No, I'm not.
Winner.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Qualified.
No, but after this, you're not allowed to use it because I use them.
Yeah, now you're okay.
Yeah, so
No,
you're not
because it
allowed.
wouldn't have been fair on me
Yeah.
getting an upgraded one, you.
Okay, so here. So just something for long enough.
Remember,
What?
this is the last yoke of it.
What's what?
Of the challenge, this part. So, okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I think this was last.
Yeah, I'll have to get money though. I'm gonna buy some pastries
It's not mine.
and some Coke.
Oh, lovely.
Mate, if you like little over an island, guess what you can get? A big, huge 2-litre bottle of Coke for 55 cents.
Yeah,
And if you have in France, because France use euros as well.
Yeah.
I don't get the way people go, oh, can I have 2 euros?
Yeah. That's a euro. Like,
I'm not getting
euros.
hit.
Oh yeah. See my brother. Now he's a little
Douche.
Yeah. And so we were doing a video on a gun. You can watch that if you want.
On a what?
The gun video.
No, we never. Don't remember. Oh, key! Nearly got a key. Should have said on the
That's
ground.
why I hate going up high. I always say that.
Yeah, but
wrong.
you're safer.
Yeah, correct actually. I hate them.
I hate the boots.
Yeah, same. Yeah, but I just love them just doing that. They're the only thing I like doing. But I still hate them. Because you can miss all the coins when you're on this.
You do know they can't see us.
Can you not?
No.
Don't they can see me. Oi!
Yeah.
Squall,
Remember, you're allowed.
the squall, the squall,
You're allowed.
the squall.
You're
You're
allowed.
disqualified.
How?
Cause you said already won there.
No, I didn't. I'll have to watch this back.
I said.
Yeah, but it's my.
But I said.
Yeah, but it's my game.
But I said, yeah, I used one by an accident, you could use it. But then no more jetpack.
I didn't even mean it. I ran into. Because guess what? There was a yoke and I rolled and it went into it.
Okay, sorry.
Just say that's it. I rolled into it.
Okay, but I'll get a jetpack
No,
if I
use
have
them.
it. Alright.
Just saying, you guys claim men up here with some of them are drug dealers.
True.
Softy is, because his name.
But my uncle works there, but no, but he's old.
Softy's a drug dealer.
Yeah. But not my uncle.
Old Softy.
But
Never know.
actually, right?
On different roads, who could be selling?
Maybe he doesn't.
You never know.
Look, I'll be him every day actually. He goes to my house every day.
Yeah.
And he's alright. But guess what I smell?
Imagine I got jackpot. What would you be like? Would you spend it all?
Yeah.
No, you wouldn't.
No, on mine then. Oh,
I'm buying some, but you're not allowed to use.
okay. Ah! You're not allowed to use it.
My game. Look,
Now, if he used that, he's
I
cheating.
can just go like that and delete the game, the whole game.
Is that idea?
I could delete it. So, you're not allowed to use it.
Either you.
I am.
Fair enough.
My
But
game.
I'm using it.
Come!
Alright. What's unfair?
Literally just sitting there.
I want to press it.
Too late. You can use one hoverboard.
Thank you.
I'm trying to use it.
And if I die, I still get the flag because you'll get me that.
What?
So if I hit anything, I still get the flag.
Yeah. Oh, not when you're off the hoverboard.
No, when I'm off the whole ball, yeah.
I love the music.
Yeah. So, it's the same thing about the game that I really love.
I love
Just
the
the
board.
music.
I just love the characters.
That flip.
I don't like the girl characters.
That flip. I don't even back flip.
That wasn't a backflip.
That's so I flip.
It was actually a front flip.
Collect those coins. Oh yeah, I see ever on train tracks and the train's coming. Never go where the coins are.
Why?
Because that's where the train's gonna come.
How?
No, like when they're on like I'll show you if I get there.
Why'd you go down it? So,
We
you didn't need to jump.
Yeah, I know, I just like doing it.
I didn't even see what happened. Caught your hair. Something.
Oh yeah, you're allowed to use it.
Yeah.
Forgot about that.
Please don't waste my record.
What does that mean?
Like 1,000 coins on in the round. Like 4,1500 I got.
I hope I break it.
Yeah, well, not even there.
I'm gonna break the record on that.
I know.
I might.
How? I had to use keys.
Yeah, but I could break it without using keys.
You don't know.
I could. But
I could get
won't.
a million while using keys. Does this fella on YouTube called KDM and know what he done? He went 60 million points while using a key.
One key.
Yeah, without using any keys.
You're so fair though.
How?
Because you're using that. That.
Wow, I only have 2 coins.
Look how far you went.
How far?
I tell you what.
Is that my
50,000
Is that it?
coins. Yeah.
No, that's it.
Oh.
What did you think that was?
I thought like when you get to the 80,000 I'd be a record. Well, that. Was it close?
No.
Okay.
You failed. You
Yeah.
suck.
No, but was it close to your record?
No.
Whoa!
You sucked. Because I was nearly at 6,000 coins with my record. Yay, key. I love keys.
I don't know.
Who doesn't?
It just... It's like when,
You can stab people with
yeah,
them.
it's like when
Oh, no,
I'm not my name, I forget.
How about it's by the score?
What is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, the boys score.
We gotta get to 1 million. Score.
Yeah, definitely.
Because I'm good at this game.
Yeah, no. That's your favourite shit.
No, I'm just saying I'm good at it, Johnny.
I am as well.
I know. Well, yeah,
Better than Bob.
Who's Bob?
I don't know.
Jim Bob?
Jim Bob.
Herbert the pervert?
Yeah, Herbert
made up
the
that.
pervert.
I made that one.
Yeah, no. But I made up the song.
No, you didn't.
Herbert.
That wasn't
Herbert.
even a song.
But this is a new song. Herbert.
No, we're gonna make a music video on it.
Yay! I made
rap.
up. I made up. Herbert.
No.
Mother. Herbert.
No.
Herbert. The mother.
It's
Herbert.
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 No, not yet.
I have
Let
a
them know.
Oh. That's not the song, by the way.
Why do you think the name's called Roblox and more? You do know I have a jetpack.
You got the
Jetpack.
Herbert.
I have a jetpack.
Yeah.
Jetpacks are good.
Yeah.
I have boots.
No, you went down where I think.
How?
Down where that 30 package down there. Yeah.
Who? Callum who?
Not our friend, Ian.
Callum the douche? I got another kind of key. I have 2 kids. What?
Oh, okay. I don't know. I was playing Pokemon. With my friends.
You guys, there's one.
Guess what? The man came up to school. His 4 packs. Last pack. He said, you could be my, he had the this
What
was
was
a
it?
6. It was a Steelix. Well, it was a Sugario GX. I didn't
I'll
have
be
it.
out, Peter.
Yeah, no, but I didn't have it. I mean, guess what I got? A Sugario GX.
How?
Because the man came to school and got me 4 packs. And last pack, Sugario GX. Rainbow Red.
I need proof. Well, that's showing you.
I sold it.
What?
I sold it.
For how much?
10. I know, Ripple.
You got ripped.
You I did?
Yeah.
Hell.
Rainbow Rares are the rarest card.
Yeah. I want.
They're not going for tenors.
How much did it go for then?
They're going for like 100 and all. What?
That's it.
What are you doing? Sorry about that. Goodbye, guys.